Hey there, today we're going to look at how to sync audio and video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, import your audio and video files into the project. Over here, you can either use the media browser or just drag the files from File Explorer onto the timeline. After that, place the audio file and video clip roughly next to each other. Then highlight both clips by selecting them together, right-click and choose Synchronize. Over here, select Audio and make sure Track Channel is set to 1. After that, click OK and Premiere Pro will automatically sync the audio with the video. Now zoom in using the plus key to confirm the clips are aligned. Then trim any unnecessary parts from the beginning or end of the video. After that, right-click the video, click Unlink, then select and delete the original audio track. Then drag the new synced audio up to audio track 1. After that, highlight both the video and new audio, right-click and select Link. Now your video and audio are synced and ready to go. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.